Hi guys, it is Carol from Lily Rose Blue, and I am outside, as you can tell, and I am just walking and showing you my neighbor's apple trees, just because isn't this beautiful? Nature is beautiful, and I just think it's so fun to just stop and admire the beauty. Now, I gotta walk a little bit. This is another tree of theirs, fruit tree. I don't know if I've ever seen that produce anything. And then here is another apple tree, different kind of apple. And you can see they're just getting ready to start to turn a little bit. This tree is just full of apples. I grew up with an apple tree. I appreciated eating the apples. As I got older, and that's a peach tree there at the end there in the boulevard, and they had a ton of peaches this year too. So I'm gonna walk back, just warning you. When I got old enough to mow the yard, I hated the apple tree because you had to pick up all the apples before you could mow. I didn't really appreciate that then. Sorry if this isn't super even either, because I'm still kind of limping with my hip. I'll tell you about that in a second too. Isn't this just gorgeous? Just so pretty. Yeah, my mom made applesauce. We did all kinds of things, apple slices, all of that good stuff. Just so pretty. And of course, my deer that come and eat love this apple tree too, as you can only imagine. And I think with that, I'll stop this video. I just wanted to share the beauty today. And thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. Have fun. Bye-bye.